Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to save time and stress with copying and pasting on social media or anywhere on the website. If you're someone that does copy and paste, in this video is going to be helpful to you. Now I'm going to use an example of we having to copy and paste your LinkedIn profile. So how do you solve that? We are going to search for an app on Play Store. So you want to search for this app on Play Store or on App Store. You want to click for clipboard manager. All right, you are going to look for this clipboard manager, the one with this check icon. All right, you want to click on install, and the idea is that this is going to help you save time to copy and paste. So you are going to have all your pasting all saved somewhere, and then you are going to integrate it with your keyboard, and then you can easily always paste it wherever you want. All right, I'm going to click on open right now. All right, so when it opens, you want to first of all give it, say yes right there. Want to give it a permission. Okay, yes. So right now we have said yes. Okay, so these are my previous messages, so I'm going to delete them right now to make them look. All right, so you're going to either have the welcome message here or you're going to have something like this. Now the next thing you want to do is that now you have this right here, but it is not yet working. If you want to know if it's yet working, when you click here, you type, you don't have any option to add it, so it's not yet integrated. So now you want to go over back to it. You want to click on these three icons. You want to click on settings, and then you want to click on add clipboard keyboard. All right, so you want to click on here. Okay, then you want to click on clipboard. Okay, you want to click on this. Yes, just say okay. Say okay. Now what this means that now that we have added it there, once we go over to our notepad, let's try to see our notepad. You can see that now we have the option to paste something, right? But there's nothing to paste in this video. So I'm going to add some example. All right, so like we have this all right, so I'm just gonna click on this. All right, so I copy this down. So I'm gonna copy these three messages. So we want to make sure that you have all your messages. Then I head back to my clipboard manager. All right, so I'm going to click on create. Then I'm going to type this. Then I'm going to give it msg1. I type here, so I type msg1. All right, I save it. So this way you can save everything that you know that you usually copy and paste. So yeah, I have three things here, so I'm going to copy them. Copy, going over here, I type here, type msg2. We already have it there. I'll cut it off, paste it there. All right, I save it right now again. All right, so the ones I just showing because I copied them there, and then it's automatically picking up my clipboard. Okay, so and that is nice. So it's automatically picking up my clipboard. All right, so it's an automatic picking up my clipboard. So I'm gonna delete the ones that is like repetition. You see, it's saved well. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to edit this. So I'm going to cut it, put it as a title, so I can always know what message it is, and so that when it comes to time to post it, I can always know. All right, so I'm going to copy this. So it has already copied to the clipboard. So when I go back, I have the message 4 already. So I want to delete over this one. So now there's 4. So I'm going to click on edit it right here. So this msg4, I'm going to paste at the top. All right, so as you can see right now, we have 4 messages that we have already copied to our. These are the messages I want to use to follow up our LinkedIn contact. All right. So now, how do we make use of this? So currently right now, I have someone accepting my invitation on LinkedIn. So I'm gonna click on the notification. Then I'm gonna click on the message icon here. Then I'm gonna click on this 8 icon over here. All right, this 8 icon over here, I'm gonna click on it. Okay, so as you can see, I have all the messages here, and as I know, this is as know in our LinkedIn follow up, we want to get our contact. All right, for following us, and these are our first messages. So yeah, as you can see, then we remember to edit our name here to Sarah. So this way we have actually saved time copying and pasting, and this way we can do it for multiple people that joined, and we can send the appropriate messages to them without having to copy and be pasting everything one after the. Okay, there's one important thing I want to show you when you send message using the clipboard. For example, now this one I've sent this message right now. Okay, now I'm gonna do this as an example. I'm gonna click here. You remember we click on the 8 icon to bring out our clipboard. Okay, then I'm just using this for example, although I've already sent this one, so I just want to use this for an example. So I click on the 8 icon. As you can see that even the here, when I click on the 8 icon, let's say I want to send this one, I click on the 8 icon. Okay, now how do I easily, when I click here that I want to write something, you see that we don't have where to write text. So that is where I want to show you. Then you're going to have to click back on your keyboard icon over here. When you click on it, as you can see, then you can write whatever you want to write, and then you can paste your message. All right, that is how to switch between both. Okay, that's how to switch between the um, clipboard manager and your usual keyboard. 8 icon to switch, then keyboard icon to switch.